Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome, which combines British elegance and Land Rover's well-known off-road capabilities, enters a new market, the ultra-premium motorhome experience. This model is designed for adventurers who desire excitement without compromising first-class comfort, since it blends all-terrain confidence with a 5-star mobile living room. Performance and capability. Because of its modified long-wheelbase Range Rover foundation, this motorhome maintains its true off-road capabilities while offering exceptional road comfort. A 3.0-liter ER6 plug-in hybrid PHEV with an electric range of up to 60 miles and a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 523 horsepower are among the available engine options. All-wheel drive, AWD, and Terrain Response 2 powertrain. Transmission, 8-speed automatic off-road characteristics. Ground clearance, with air suspension up to 11.6 inches. Capacity to tow, up to 7,700 pounds. Weight sensing, hill descent control, and all-terrain progress control. Whether you're traveling over mountain passes or down the seaside, the ride remains secure and smooth. Interior living area. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome provides the amenities of a boutique hotel in isolated locations. Residence area. 2 leather reclining lounge chairs with massage and heating features. A fold-out work table with an integrated minibar. A panoramic roof above the lounge area with electrochromic glass. A 50-inch UHD smart TV with Meridian 3D surround audio. Power privacy screens and ambient mood lighting. Soft close cabinets and modular storage sections. A special memory foam queen bed with a Range Rover emblem carved on the headboard. Dual zone climate control for the sleeping area, and an optional pop-out extension for additional space are all aspects of the bedroom. Features of the kitchenette include refrigerator freezer drawers, a sink with filtered water, a tiny induction burner and microwave combo, and a fold-away countertop for prep space. Moreover, premium metal and wood treatments are used. Smart bathroom features and technology. Black water management system in the eco toilet. Heated mirror and towel rail. Automatic lighting and ventilation in the skylight. Fully enclosed wet bath with rainfall shower. The Range Rover PV Pros entertainment system with motorhome extension. A 5G hotspot that can broadcast content. Cabin controls that can be operated by voice, lighting, blinds, media, etc. Solar charging roof panels driven by lithium-ion battery banks. Combining smart entry, remote climate preparation, and mobile app safety and assistance for motorcyclists. A 360-degree surround camera system that can see off-road. Trailer support and driver fatigue monitoring. Lane keep assistance, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. Market target for CO2, gas, and fire detection systems in cabins. Designed for digital nomads and remote workers, luxury adventurers, overland travelers looking for roadside refinement, eco-conscious luxury buyers, PHEV variant. The anticipated cost varies from $450,000 to $700,000, depending on the drivetrain, finishing, and off-grid capabilities.